Hello all, I am glad to share that three of the Paritranaya IAS Academy students have cracked the prestigious UPSC Civil Services, that is IAS Prelims exam. In this All India exam, which is considered to be one among the toughest in the world, close to 13 lakh plus aspirants appeared for this examination, and among them just 14,000 plus cleared this with a success rate of 1%. And the achievement of Paritranaya students in outperforming 13 lakh plus fellow aspirants is unparalleled with a record-breaking success rate of 30%. This success has broken the myth that IAS exam preparation requires a coaching at metropolitan city like Delhi, Hyderabad, etc. This success is a testimony to the Paritranaya's quality of delivery and winning strategy. Cutoff required was around 90 marks, and our students scored 100 plus marks, surpassing the required cutoff by a great margin. And it was possible because more than 55% of the questions could be directly solved from our notes, the notes which our students repeatedly revised. And this repeated revision was possible because of our concise notes and high conceptual clarity. From the ocean of syllabus, we have compiled notes from every source, that is NCERT, Lakshmikant, Bipin Chandra, etc. from exam point of view and reduced the aspirants' burden. On top of that, our unique mnemonics and story-based techniques have boosted our students' memory and enhanced their information retention capacity. Paritranaya IAS Academy wholeheartedly invites you to become part of this success journey. Join us today to emerge victorious in the most prestigious examination of the country at less than 1/4 the cost of Delhi. Admissions are already started and the seats are limited. Call now to reserve your seats. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am Hante Shilagir. I am from Bagalkot itself. This year I have cleared IAS prelims exam. This is my second attempt. I have been associated with Paritranaya IAS Academy since 2 years. Last year itself I was about to clear the exam. I have missed it by 0.7 marks. This year I am able to clear with good margin. This is all because of Rajesh Biradar sir, who is the founder of the Paritranaya IAS Academy. Because of his personalized guidance, mentorship and exam oriented study material helped me to clear prelims exam this year. I really want to thank Rajesh Biradar sir and Paritranaya IAS Academy. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Mallappa Hanumanta Kambli from Ingalgi village in Bagalkot district. I have taken coaching from Paritranaya IAS Academy, and this year I have cleared IAS Prelims 2024. This is all because of Rajesh Biradar sir and Paritranaya IAS Academy, and his exam oriented teaching and his study materials really helped me in clearing this Prelims 2024. And me and my family really want to thank Paritranaya IAS Academy and Rajesh Biradar sir. Thank you.